Okay, Allie, here's the deal. Your mom says you're 13, you're old enough to fend for yourself. We're not coming back. We love you. Best of luck to you. If you can scrape it up, start dancing, you get up money, come down here, you can hang out with us for a while. I swear. We'll take good care of you.
We'll pay for the flight. I'll pay for the flight.
Okay, we're going to talk. We'll get back with you. Hey guys, it's Mike here. Welcome back. Today we're in Lima, Peru, and among other things, we're going to take a cooking class. So in a few minutes, we're going to join Chef Gonzalo, and he is going to show us how to prepare a traditional Peruvian dish called Lomo Saltado. I think that's how you pronounce it. So looking forward to that. It ought to be a good time. If you're a foodie, if you're a wannabe foodie, if you like to eat, if you're hungry, Peru is a country you need to go to. It's just, they have the most wonderful food here. A lot of it is because of their geography. They have 90 microclimates. They have 30 of the 32 world climates. What that really means is Peru, because of its unique geography, they can grow almost anything that can be grown anywhere else on the planet. It's pretty remarkable. The potato started here, a little factoid there, thousands of years ago. So thank Peru for the potato. There's over 4,000 different types of potatoes here that are grown here, and it's pretty amazing actually. The amounts of fruits and vegetables here are just second to none. So if you get a chance, Peru needs to be on your list. Hey guys, I know you didn't come here for a history lesson or get a lecture on agriculture, so we'll cut this short and let's get right to it. Let's go make some Lomo Saltado. Potatoes first?
Yeah, because the Lomo Saltado is really quick.
Very quick, yeah.
Alright?
And they're called cocktail potatoes. Who knew?
I didn't know that either. That's interesting.
I mean, I've been buying them and roasting them, but
We've been
I didn't know
using
what
them for
they
a long
were
time,
called.
just didn't know what they were. A little salt on the potatoes.
Papitas cocktail.
Papita con qué?
Cocktail.
Cocktail, yes, sí.
En
Ooh, I was
español.
gonna say, that looks yummy.
Opa, what am I doing? Oregano.
Oregano, right? You see how he's putting oregano in there, baby?
Releasing oil.
What I want with the potatoes, I want it brown on the outside, golden brown, and real soft on the inside. So that way you mash them, mix them with the juices of the Lomo Saltado. Really good. For me, cumin.
Yum. I'm a cumin fan.
So, I have soy sauce. I have pisco, okay?
Oh, yeah.
I have vinegar.
There's the flame.
Yum.
Ooh, vinegar, okay.
Yeah, but the flame is something. I mean, Lomo Saltado. Lomo is the beef, the tenderloin. Saltado is to jump. And it's saltado because the fire is going to jump into the pan.
Right?
Not because of the alcohol. The alcohol I'm going to use later
Okay.
to flambe it, to give that pisco flavor. Not for the smoky. Alright. Excuse me for 1 second.
Yeah, time to turn on the the vent hood, or the whatever that's called.
I want it really, really hot. I want it smoky.
Okay.
I don't want it burning though. Alright, I want it right
It's
before
gonna
it
happen
starts
really
to burn.
quickly. Yeah.
How do you know when it starts to burn?
The smell.
Okay. It will smell.
Smell.
Right.
And the oil kind of changes.
Oh, viscosity changes. Then.
It's about ready.
Yeah.
Alright? So it goes. That's what I want. That's gonna give me that smoky flavor.
That is freaking awesome.
It cooled down now. I can hear it.
Yeah,
Now
right.
it's gonna go.
It's gonna pick back up.
It's gonna pick up. How do you like your beef cooked?
Ooh,
Medium rare.
Medium rare? Yep.
I'm a middling girl, but
Or
I will eat it anyway. Yeah, that's good.
anything
Yep.
south of medium is fine.
Yep.
This is for the flavor. Alright? that smoke, that fire.
So while you were doing that, you turned the potatoes down and just let them get happy over there.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Also, you can do the potatoes and put them in the oven,
Right.
you know, and just warm it up when you're ready to serve them. But this is what I want.
Oh, yum.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready to put the tomato, the onion. See, this is a 3-step dish where I want the beef cooked almost to the point where I want it. Then I want the tomato, the onion to, you know, I don't want to cook them all the way through. I don't want an onion that is, you know, falling down.
Right.
I want it crunchy.
Right.
All right, but I want it kind of blanched or cooked a little. So there goes the onion. I'm gonna flip them. I'm gonna use the pisco first. I'm gonna add the cumin. And if you notice, every time I put an ingredient, I go like that.
Stir it up, yeah.
This is a technique you have to learn. You know how to sauce that. Soy sauce. Good on the soy sauce. Excuse me.
Yum.
Tomato. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
And I want the tomato to be warm, but not cooked.
Okay.
That way it will release all the juices. Cilantro. I don't want to pour the whole thing in because if this is cold, I don't want it to be cool.
Just slow the cooking, yeah.
Yeah.
You pour it around the edges.
It will deglaze the whole thing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know, the thing that got stuck to the walls of the wok.
We call those yums.
Yums.
Yums. Y-U-M-S. Yum yums.
Like yum, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
Es fini.
Let it simmer
All right.
for not even a minute.
Maybe we can do this. We'll make a bigger mess, but we can do
Yeah,
this.
we will.
That way the oil sticks to the side, you know, and kind of, they don't come out that oily.
Yeah, there's a reason behind everything in cooking. You just don't always know what it is.
Yeah. See all the oil stuck there. So good. Females. Straight lines, cubes, squares, males.
Go figure, I didn't know that.
So what kind of balsamic reduction is that? Like
Like that
2 to 1?
vinegar.
Or yeah, I mean, how big a reduction are we talking? Barely viscous?
Well, thick. You know,
Yeah,
honey
right.
type.
honey consistency.
Cup of vinegar, cup of sugar,
Okay.
until it gets thick.
Beautiful.
Happy face.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Just one last thing, I want to give you a little quick update on COVID here in Peru. Peru is not quite as locked down as it was as of the date of this posting of this video. If you're fully vaccinated, you can skip a lot of the red tape and you can actually go to the country. There are mask requirements and there's a bunch of other little requirements that you have to do like you do most countries, but it's not that hard, and you can actually come to Peru now and enjoy it pretty much as best as you can anywhere. So as always, make sure and stay up to date on what the COVID rules are for the different countries. I've left the link to the CIVT visa website, which is the one I use to figure out what's required where, and you know what you need to travel to the different countries. So I encourage you to check that out. And hey, till next time, keep traveling, have fun, be safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.